What is her name, please?
My name is Vaisha.
Maisha.
Vadisha.
Varisha?
Yeah.
It's very interesting. What's your name?
My name is Ariha.
Ariha. Ah, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Pakistan. Pakistan.
Pakistan. Are you first time represent your country here?
Yes, we are first time representing our country.
Basically, I am from Istanbul Culture University. I am outsider here.
Have you found this festival? Is it well? Have you enjoyed?
Yeah, we did a lot of enjoy here. Yeah.
I'm studying here and she is my friend.
She is your friend.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy from this festival? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Yeah, we enjoyed a lot.
And we are representing a Pakistani, wearing a Pakistani dress.
So you have very beautiful dress actually.
Thank you.
I very liked it. Very beautiful, really. So have you found the Turkish culture? Did you like it?
Yeah, we loved it. We loved it. It's so beautiful. Everything is beautiful.
So why did you choose Gelişim University? How did you find it?
She find.
Okay, how you find the Gelişim University?
Through Instagram?
Instagram.
Yeah.
No one helps you?
No.
Oh my god. It's good. It's good. Really good. What about Turkmenistan? Do you heard it about it, Turkmenistan?
Turkmenistan? Yeah, I heard about a little bit.
So we are from Turkmenistan. Hello to you, Pakistan. Let's say thank you so much for having interview. Thank you so much. Thank you to Gelişim University.
You should visit alazimconsulting.com. They are very best and this human is very good.
Thank you so much. I would like to come to Pakistan once.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
You should visit Pakistan.
I would like really because Pakistan is a very colorful city.
Yeah.
You have very colorful dresses. I like it. Thank you. Have a nice fun. Bye.
Alazine Consulting.